Hey, what's up everybody? This is the MyFAK Mini Pro from the all-new MyFAK collection. We're gonna take a look at the bag and then we're gonna walk through exactly what's inside this new and improved kit. So up front, you've got the laser cut Hypalon. You can run Molly through here. We still have the Velcro, so you wanna rock your own patches or anything like that, you can still do that. You've got your metal clip, white cross on here, so it's very easily identifiable. You've got your front clip, kind of keeping everything together. And then out back, it's real handy. You've got the Molly snap, so you can run this through a Molly system of your own. And then what's cool is if you decide to do that, it's got the quick release Velcro backing. So this stays put and this part's grab and go. Super simple, really handy. You've got your strap here. You can sling it like a messenger bag. You can run it as a fanny pack and it's gonna be comfortable no matter how you wear that. You've got the easy pull zipper tabs to open it up, and then it opens like a book. You've got your middle page here, keeping everything very organized. It's streamlined. The wayfinding is super easy, so you're not sitting there trying to dig through a kit. So I'm gonna unload this bag, lay everything out, and let's walk through and see what's inside. All right, so keep in mind, this is the Pro kit. The difference between the Pro and the Standard is with the Pro, you get these life-saving first aid items. So basically this top row closest to me right here, these are your Pro items. The items that are unique to the Pro kit are the tourniquet, the EPB or emergency pressure bandage, the quick clot hemostatic dressing, chest seals, you get 2 of those. You get an MPA or nasopharyngeal airway, that's an adult size. You get a Zips wound closure 2-pack. You get a light stick and then you get paracord with this. So again, from here down, these come in all the kits. From this closest to me, this top row, these are the Pro items. So moving on. You get the mini gauze mod, so that's different shapes and sizes of gauze. You get the super skin bandage pack, so that's different shapes and sizes of our bandages. The mini burn mod, mini medication mod, so that's your typical over-the-counter meds for gut issues or pain relief, allergy relief, things like that. You get the mini topical mod, that's things like hydrocortisone, triple antibiotic ointment. You get the hydration mod, a pair of gloves, the mini trauma shears. You do get the mini wound closure kit, the mini tool mod, so that's things like a thermometer, flashlight, there's a whistle in there, tweezers. You get the blister mod, you get the mini sprain and fracture mod, you get the super wash, and that's 2 ounces compared to the usual 1 ounce, so that's great for irrigating eyes or wounds, things like that. You get a space blanket, CPR shield, and a full roll of medical tape there. With this kit, you do get the free digital download of the Stay Alive Survival Guide, which is chock full of great information on first aid, survival, all kinds of good stuff in there. Another cool thing about these kits is the little poly bags come with a QR code in the bottom corner here. Same as any other QR code, just pop out your phone, it'll pop up our website and take you right to that product, so it makes it super simple to reorder anything that you've used out of your first aid kit. So, as you can see, this is a great little first aid kit. If you get the Pro, you do get life-saving items on top of the common injuries and ailments you might see on a daily basis, like little bumps and bruises, headaches. So it's a great kit to keep in your vehicle, your house, your garage. Find the kit that's best for you and your lifestyle, and we'll see you out there.